Tools for adjusting composition in Capture One Pro 8 are located in the Composition Tool tab here. The tools include Crop, Rotation and Flip, Keystone and Overlay. To crop freehand, leave the Ratio menu set to Unconstrained. Select the Crop tool by clicking here or hitting C on the keyboard. Move to the viewer and click drag a crop frame. A semi-transparent mask will hide the area that has just been cropped. This can be adjusted in the preferences if necessary. The orange numbers on the edge of the frame indicate the output size of the cropped image. Change the units in the pull-down menu here. When you select another cursor tool, the crop is applied so you can work on the cropped image without the distraction of the uncropped area. To crop to a certain aspect ratio, select one from the available list or create one by choosing Add Aspect Ratio. The crop area will now be constrained to the selected ratio. Choosing Output will constrain the crop to the currently selected process recipe. This is particularly useful if you want your crop to match any set dimensions on the process recipe. To move the crop, click and drag from within. To create a new crop, hold down Shift while dragging and it will replace the existing crop. To freehand rotate with the crop tool, move the cursor outside the crop boundary in the corner and click and drag. This can also be done by using the angle slider here. If a horizontal or vertical reference point is available, draw along it using the Straighten cursor tool. This will automatically level or straighten the image. To rotate an image by 90 degrees, left or right, use the left and right buttons or the menu option. To flip an image, choose an option in the Flip pull-down menu. If it is not possible to capture an image without keystoning or perspective distortion, then use the Keystone tool to correct it. Vertical and horizontal keystoning can be corrected with a cursor tool for each type. Select the cursor tool for the type of keystoning that is present, in this case vertical. Two guidelines are shown on top of the image. Grab the control points and align them to the edges to be corrected. Click the Apply button in the center and instantly the image will be corrected. By default, the amount of keystone correction is set to 80%. It can look a little unnatural and almost too upright at 100%, so experiment with the level of correction you prefer. Also experiment with the aspect slider. If the keystone correction has made the subject a little too narrow or vice versa, adjust to your preferred look. Use the same method for images with horizontal keystoning or a combination of both. By default, the crop will stay within the image area after perspective correction. To crop outside of the image area, check the box in the crop tool. The overlay feature can be used to aid composition. This function is often used to shoot an image that will match a specific layout. For example, an image could be captured for a magazine cover or spread where space needs to be left for a masthead and headline copy. To view an overlay image, simply drop an image file into the overlay area here and alter the opacity, scale and placement as needed.